Hello, my name is Andrew Bermudez, and I directed, wrote, and produced Wonders of Buoyancy. Now, Daniel isn't available right now, so for this one, I will be going solo. Now, this film is unique in that it was assigned as a school project, and for this production gallery, like all the rest, this one will be organized so that you see everything in the order that it was filmed. Now, the very first scene that we shot in the film was the big pirate attack, even though in the end you find out that the pirates lose the battle. Now, one of the main reasons why I put this scene in was to illustrate the physics of a sinking ship. And also, I figure that since the Lego Pirates series has been so popular for so many years, I figured that it would help boost ratings if I put in a set based on a very popular Lego series. Here's a couple pictures of the huge pirate ship that was on set. We basically ripped that whole thing apart just to get the effects of the sinking ship. Fortunately, the effects person, we paid him really well to get this effect done, and also it was a good thing that we got it all done on the first take because we weren't really able to recover the blown up pirate ship from the ocean floor. Yeah. The next place where we filmed was at the Lego City Harbor, which I consider a very important scene, mainly because it not only ties the experiment into the rest of the film, but this scene technically explains the fundamentals of buoyancy. Now here, these scenes were a lot more expensive than others because since we were actually working at an operating harbor, we had to pay more to film there, but it was okay. No one got injured or anything like that. Oh, here's a little picture I took of a fisherman filming that day. He didn't really get in the film, but yeah, he just was kind of there. Here's a couple pictures of the ships that were docked to the harbor while we were filming. Here's the cargo ship, like I mentioned before. And here's a picture of the Coast Guard ship that we borrowed for the filming, so we would have a good filming platform for the film crew. Here is the most daunting scene I have ever filmed for any of my films. This is the very first scene that I've ever filmed that takes place underwater. Now, when I was filming it, I was trying to think, how possibly am I going to get the diver to swim through the water? Well, I thought through my options and I figured out the best one, without any post-production effects of course, was to basically take Play-Doh and attach the diver to a piece of glass. And then move him with each frame so that it looks like he's swimming through the water. And the effect actually turns out pretty well. Here is the final scene that I filmed, which is a classroom in which Professor Samantha Rhodes from the LEGO Atlantis series teaches about buoyancy and creates the focal point of the film. Now, in this scene originally, the students doing the lab and the students learning the class were supposed to be done in two separate sets, but I figured that since I was running a little bit out of time, I was on a tight schedule here, that I decided just to combine them into one set. Now that just about wraps up today's production gallery. Now if you're interested in seeing other videos by me, check out my channel where you can see other films including the famous Johnny Thunder franchise, and also be sure to check out the website link to find the Mustache Maniacs Film Co. press room blog. Thank you for watching.